The project name is Anti-Theft ATM Design. This is an innovation in ATM design to prevent theft. It can be operated in two ways. One is, if somebody tries to damage the ATM, it will give a message to the security guard somewhere else or at the bank headquarters, and it will close the shutter. This is the shutter part. The shutter is connected with a motor. The motor has got a lever which is connected beneath the shutter. When the motor is operated, the lever is released and the shutter will fall down in order to trap the thief inside the ATM so that the police can come and catch him. So now let us see the app part of it. Now this is the app. Initially you have to switch on the Bluetooth, select HC05, pair it with 1234 password, then open the app, install the app and open the app. You will get this auto connection. If you don't get auto connection, then you have to press that and select HC05 Bluetooth. Once it is connected, now if you press switch A, it means that the security guard at the other end is pressing it. Press the switch A. This is how the shutter is closed. We will now check the other way of doing it. Now again we have raised the shutter. Now if somebody tries to damage the ATM, they try to lift ATM and take it away with them, again the shutter will be closed. And you get a message, ATM theft. Okay, this is how the system operates.